How to cancel Adobe subscription without cancellation fee. Now in this video, I'll provide you additional details on canceling your Adobe subscription without incurring any cancellation fees. Now first and foremost, if you go ahead and pull up any subscriptions available on Adobe Express, you actually are given specific amount or period of time. So usually you'll have 14 days to cancel the current plan that you have, for example, for Adobe Express or for Teams or Cloud or any available subscription that you can pay for Adobe. Now, again, you have 14 days so that you are still eligible for a full refund if you cancel within 14 days of your initial order, regardless of the plan type. To do so, all I have to do is to click this option here, which is going to be the account, then go into manage account, and then you will automatically be redirected into the current subscription that you're in, and then just simply click that and choose on cancel subscription. And that is how you cancel Adobe subscription without cancellation fee.